This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the app version and which license you purchased, because activation steps differ slightly. Once done, find the license key in your email or account and copy it. Make sure you have admin rights on the PC. Now close PDF Xchange Editor and right-click to run as administrator so the activation writes to system folders without being blocked. Doing this up front prevents common permission errors and saves time when you enter the key. You now open PDF Xchange Editor and navigate to help then activate product, because that's where activation lives. Paste your license key exactly as given. Hyphens matter, so don't add or remove characters. Choose Online Activation for automatic validation. The editor contacts the server and verifies immediately. If you're offline, select Manual Activation and follow prompts to generate a request file, then use another machine to complete validation. Make sure you see a success message before continuing. Finish by restarting the editor so new features unlock and license info populates. Then check Help About to confirm the registered name and expiration or version limits. This verifies a proper activation. If something goes wrong, first verify your system date/time, disable or adjust firewall and proxy settings, and re-enter the key exactly. Those are the usual culprits. If issues persist, generate the activation log or manual request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.